Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix the missing my AI on Snapchat. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Offload Snapchat. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the general page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. Scroll down, tap Snapchat, tap offload app, again offload app and reinstall it. Solution number 2. Update Snapchat app. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. Search your Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Update your Snapchat. Solution number 3. Delete and reinstall Snapchat app. Click on Snapchat. Click on Remove app. Tap Delete app and reinstall app. Thanks for watching this video.